What's going on, guys? Today we have the Boosted Mini S. Very excited to review this product. I've been using it for about a week now and I just want to go over the products. I had the Boosted V1, the original, and I just want to compare it to that as well and show you guys what some of the differences are. Starting off right away, we have the exact same controller as every other Boosted. So there's no differences in the physical remote itself, just the Mini S has 3 speed modes. So again, we change that by hitting the button 3 times. And our top speed is that 3rd setting. Now with the regular Boosted board, you have 4 settings, and the last one would be that intermediate setting that brings you at roughly mid or lower 20s speed. With the Boosted Mini S, the top speed on this model is 18 miles per hour. If you get the Mini X, it goes 20 miles per hour. Different board material, as you are aware of, different wheels as well. Very smooth ride still. The board definitely doesn't flex as much as the original board. So almost zero flex going on in this board. Now with that said, again, it is a new board, so the length is a lot smaller. The Mini is a lot more portable. I actually like this size a lot. The board being smaller also makes it a lot easier to maneuver on tight corners. With the firmer deck, I feel like you get much firmer, tighter corners, and it just makes it an overall better experience. So I do want to mention with the Mini S, the acceleration is definitely not as quick as the regular Boosted board. This is 1,000 watts compared to 2,000 watts, which the original board is. So let's just give you guys a quick test. And as I mentioned, with this board being smaller and because of the much firmer deck, you can get a much better turning radius on this board here. It is a little slower in acceleration, but that trade-off I feel like is highly worth it for the portability of this board, the size of the board, all around. All the trade-offs are worth it. Again, it's just a little bit slower in the top speed and it's a little bit slower in its acceleration, but definitely the handling makes up for it. It's still very smooth. Of course, it's not as smooth of a ride as the original, and because the board doesn't flex, you definitely feel more imperfections in the road, say on the sidewalk, pebbles on the street, things like that. But again, those are all negligible compared to the portability of this board. I just commuted into Washington, D.C. this morning and took this board on the subway and was riding it on the streets of D.C. and took it back home, and it was very easy and very portable. So that's going to wrap it up for a review of the Boosted Mini S. I highly recommend it. If you guys have the money, I would go for the Mini X because it adds some more speed with a longer range battery, which is always going to be helpful. If you found the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my channel. Check out my channel for more tech videos, and thanks for watching.